How to learn cloud computing from scratch in 90 days. Cloud computing is the foundation of modern technology infrastructure. And you can build a working knowledge of it in just 90 days. Here is a practical plan. Days 1 to 30 are for foundations. Understand what cloud computing is and why organizations worldwide depend on it. Learn the 3 major platforms: AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Focus on core concepts including compute, storage, networking, and identity management. Use the free tier on any of these platforms to start building immediately. Days 31 to 60 are for going deeper. Pick one cloud platform and stick with it. Study databases, serverless computing, containers, and security fundamentals. Follow structured learning paths aligned to the associate level certification for your chosen platform. Days 61 to 90 are for consolidation and certification. Build 2 or 3 small projects that use real cloud services. Deploy a web application. Set up automated backups. Configure a basic network. These projects prove your skills. Sit your first cloud certification exam in the final week of this period. AWS Cloud Practitioner, Azure Fundamentals, or Google Cloud Digital Leader are all excellent starting points. Cloud skills are among the highest paid in the technology sector globally. 90 days of focused effort can change your career trajectory. Start on day 1.